for Ask the Expert. Joining us live this afternoon, our resident pet vet, Dr. Katie Heinrich. She's here to talk with Tango to talk about dental hygiene.
So what's the most important thing dog owners need to know about when it comes to making sure that these canines' teeth are clean?
So unfortunately, almost every dog or cat over the age of 2 to 3 has some degree of dental disease, which most people don't realize. And when you think about it, it makes sense because anatomically their teeth are not that different from ours, and you can only imagine if you went years without brushing your teeth, what your teeth would look like.
Right.
It would look like theirs. So and I know it's no one's top priority, but it really, it does make a difference if you can do some simple things at home to help keep their teeth clean. And what I would say generally the easiest thing to do, well, not the easiest, but by far the best thing to do is brushing every day.
Every day?
Every day, yeah.
Just like your own.
Just like your own. And I realize that's not realistic for most people. So what I've found for clients is a nice balance is if people can brush every other day, if they have a dog that's amenable to that. On the alternate days, if you give your dog some type of chew product that's made to help manually scrape tartar off their teeth when they chew, that can be a nice balance between keeping their teeth clean with brushing and then using that as, using chewing as an option as well.
This might sound silly, but does it include flossing as well?
It does not. You don't need to go that far, thankfully. Their teeth are farther apart than ours, and that they typically don't get a lot of little particles trapped in there. And the nice thing about it, most dogs will tolerate brushing.
I was going to ask you, how do dogs react to someone in their mouth brushing their teeth?
Yeah, so you want to start by using a pet toothpaste. You do not want to use a human toothpaste. That sudsing agent that is in human products isn't good for them. And so the pet toothpastes are flavored peanut butter, chicken, beef, so they usually like it. And you start by just putting a little bit on your finger and then offering it to them and just kind of getting them used to your, your hand in their mouth. And do that for, a couple days to a couple weeks, depending on how nervous they are about it. And you eventually progress to a finger brush, which is a little piece of plastic you can put over your finger that has bristles. And then you get in there and actually do a brushing motion similar to how you'd brush your own teeth. And you only have to worry about the outside portion of their teeth. And the other thing to note is that you do not actually have to crank their jaws open to get to their teeth. You just move their lips out of the way. And I'll see if he'll let me do that. And that, just moving their lips, will allow you to get to all the outside portions of their teeth to kind of get that plaque buildup off before it turns into that ugly brown-yellow tartar.
Well, Katie, we appreciate you being here, and Tango as well. So thank you very much.
You're welcome.
If you have a question for our experts, you can simply email asktheexpert@todaystmj4.com. You can also leave a voicemail at the number 967-5253.